Hi, this is Debayan. I welcome you all to Nature and Nurture. Children loses focus most of the time. Even they focus, they lose it quickly. That's why most of the time they are unable to memorize any kind of information. Today I am going to introduce a kind of helping tool which can be used in this purpose. I am going to talk about flashcards, which are very useful in this purpose. May it be in case of vocabulary, it can be mathematical function, or it can be any kind of things or topic which can be introduced to your kid. Flashcards are very useful in this purpose. Flashcards are one of the classic study tools and are best for study through recall, which is the most effective way our brain learns most. Flashcards are basically small piece of papers, white papers. It would be better if you use board-like papers. You can paste or draw any kind of picture in one side and relevant information below the picture or in the back side. You can simply write question on one side and answer on the back side. At the time of teaching, you have to show them the flashcard, that is flashing of the card. You have to elaborate the description relevant to the picture or question or the topic with storytelling like description. The description should contain relevant information to be remembered. You have to practice it regularly, you have to show them it regularly, and day by day increase the speed of flashing the card. Actually, flashcard comes in a bunch. Each set contains relevant topics, as like set of vegetables, set of fruits, set of manners, set of alphabets, set of occupations, and so on. When you place these flashcards randomly before your kid, it actually sends a strong vibration to your kid's brain, and the information unconsciously stores inside the right brain of your child. It not only helps your child to remember and learn, but also it helps in brain development. The end result is that they not only remember this information easily, but also they can use it in future in next level of discussion. Ability to understand and visual memory of your kid also improves with this. When your kid is ready with the stock of your flashcards, just mix it up and ask them to categorize this. For your information, flashcard can also be used in higher studies like postgraduate level. So use it and enjoy. Be happy, stay healthy, nurture the nature and kids around.